Here's a little more complex probability example. In this case, we have women and men who are going to be attending a high school reunion. We know 23 women are still alive and 21 men are alive. If we expect 10 people to come, what would the probability be that exactly 5 of them would be men and exactly 5 would be women? Well, remember that probability means we are going to be taking the probability of an event is the number of ways we can get our outcome divided by the total number of ways we can get the selection, okay, in total. So what are we talking about as far as number of ways on our outcome? That would be that we want exactly 5 women out of the 23 women and exactly 5 men out of the 21 men. We're selecting them to attend an event, so order doesn't matter. So combinations are the appropriate choice here. So for us, we would say we want out of the 23 women, 5 of them. Okay, so that's going to tell me how many ways I can get 5 groups of women from the 23 that I have. For the men, it would be 21 choose 5. So that's how many ways I can get 5 men from that group of 21. Fundamental counting principle says if I have a certain number of ways to do the first thing and a certain number of ways to do the second thing, I multiply those together and that gives me the total ways to do it. All right, so that's the top part. The bottom part is actually a little simpler. How many people do we have total? Well, 23 women and 21 men makes 44 total people. And out of those total people, we want 10 of them to attend our event. So we would say out of 44, how would we choose 10? Now, the easiest way to do this is with your calculator, whether it's scientific or graphing. I have the graphing calculator here, so that's what I'm going to use. There it is. Okay, so clear my screen, and I'm going to go ahead and do my top part first. So parentheses, and I have 23. I'm going to go to math, probability, see, and we're choosing 5 of those. Okay, and then we're going to multiply that by the 21, and again, math, probability, choose, and we're choosing 5 of those. Okay, and so we're going to multiply that, and then we're going to divide that result by parentheses for the bottom, 44, math, probability, choose, and we would choose 10 out of the entire group of 44. And that will give me my answer here, 0.276, let's say. So that means there is a 0.276 probability or a 27.6% likelihood that we would have exactly 5 men and 5 women from this group.